Morning everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Here we go with another episode on the CRX. This is my girlfriend's CRX, and we're just trying to get it nicer than it is right now. And on today's episode, we're just removing the tint. So it's something that I'm doing by myself because my girlfriend's actually at work. So I'm just gonna try to get some stuff, little things done that I know is tedious and like something that I know she wouldn't be too happy working on. So it's just trying to get the car look nicer and more presentable. But when she's out of work, we'll go ahead and start doing all the cool stuff. But today, that's my job. It's just removing that ugly old tint off the car, and yeah, and having it all bubble like again, you know, like Honda should be. Screw that tint. But here's the tint. You can see that, oh, it's just bubbling everywhere, in the front, in the back, on the side windows. Yeah, it's all coming off. I prefer the bubble look, like I said. And yeah, I'll put you guys on a time lapse, and we can go ahead and get started. Hey guys, so here we are. Alright guys, a quick little update. Here we are. This thing, the rear hatch is done. Clear, baby. But not without its mess. Ooh man, I made a huge mess. So this is done too. This quarter panel done. The driver's door is done. Also the passenger door is done. No more tint. The only tint left is on the right quarter panel. But I'm gonna save that for my girlfriend. That way she can get a taste of what I had to go through. But no, I'm not that mean, but actually my blades caught dull, and I finished up the last one, so I have to go get new blades. But so far so good, and the car is looking better and better each time we touch it. So man, it's just, I love the interior on this thing. It still looks great, and it's looking even better without that crappy bubbly tint. So yeah, woo, it's looking really nice. So when my girlfriend gets out of work, we can go ahead and start doing a little more things to it. But yeah, the tint was one of our, well, one of my pet peeves actually on the car. She didn't care for it, but I do. Much better. Way better. I love the bubble look. That tint, it's just, but yeah, short little video. I just wanted to show you guys and give you a taste of what we're doing to the car. I really don't want to miss out on it just because I want to record everything, not for me but for her, that way she can see how far the car has come and how much time and effort we've put into it. And hopefully, yeah, we get it running soon and looking the way she wants it to look. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.